viewers, welcome to Market Bag. I'm Kelsey and I'm here at the downtown Kingston Coronation Market, where we're going to be finding out what a budget of $2,500 can get us in the market this week. Let's go shopping. Hi Princess, how are you?
I'm fine.
What are the factors affecting the prices of produce in the market this week?
Most likely the rain. Most of the things that must spoil now. Melon a climb, go back up now. $150 a pound for yam. Aki a $400 and $500 a dozen. That's basically the reason why.
Well, that's it for this edition of Market Bag. Join us again next week for some more shopping. Until then, I'm Kelsey.